Two of the biggest names in personal finance software go head-to-head, Moneyspire versus Empower. Which one really delivers? On the left, Moneyspire, known for its simplicity and privacy. And on the right, Empower, formerly Personal Capital, famous for its powerful investment tracking. We're diving into real-life situations, budgeting, account syncing, investment tools, ease of use, pricing, and more. Let's cut through the hype and focus on what actually matters. Each category gets points, so you'll see a clear winner by the end. The results might just surprise you. Let's category gets points, so you'll see a clear winner by the end. Alright, quick roadmap so you know what's coming up. We'll look at cost, privacy and security, investment features, banking and bill pay, platform accessibility, and customization options. Each one matters, so let's get rolling. Okay, first up, cost. Moneyspire is actually kind of refreshing here. It's a one-time license, no subscription drama, and there's even a free demo if you want to try before you buy. Only downside? If there's a big new update, you might have to pay extra for that. Empower's basic version is free, yay. But you'll see ads, and if you want to level up, those premium fees rack up pretty quickly. For me, I love the simplicity of Moneyspire. That no subscription thing is hard to beat. Now, privacy and security. A must talk about. With Moneyspire, all your data stays local, which is awesome if you're skeptical about putting everything on the cloud. No one's selling your info, but you're on your own for backups. Empower, on the other hand, is using intense bank-level security, so your stuff's encrypted and all that. But your info's on their servers, and if you're not into that, it's a bit of a bummer. For privacy nuts, Moneyspire basically slams it. Investment features. This is where Empower stretches its legs. Moneyspire gives you the basics, account tracking, net worth stuff, but not much else if you want to get hands-on with your investments. Empower, though, wow, dashboards, automated rebalancing, all the bells and whistles for passive investors. If you're hoping to manage every little detail yourself, it's maybe too locked down, but for most folks, that automation is super appealing. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Empower was actually called Personal Capital until 2023. If you've seen that name pop up before and were confused, mystery solved. Next, banking and bill pay. Moneyspire, old school but good here, you can track everything offline, set bill reminders, handle multiple currencies, even enter transactions manually if that's your thing. Empower does pull in bank data automatically, but as far as actually paying bills, it's limited and pushes you toward using its own partners. So convenience? Empower's easy if you're always online, but for total control, Moneyspire wins. Let's talk accessibility. Moneyspire runs on everything. Windows, Mac, Linux, you name it, and you can even put it on a USB stick. But the mobile app, it's kinda bare bones. Empower's a different story. It's all about cloud, web, iOS, and Android. Super easy to sync on the go, but you do need to be online. No real way around it. Honestly, for modern access anywhere vibes, Empower nails it. Customization. Here's where Moneyspire gets kinda nerdy. You can seriously tweak categories, invent fields, even dabble in scripting. It's a DIYer's playground, but there's a learning curve for sure. Empower is all about keeping things simple. Presets, nothing too crazy to mess up. If you want to make it truly your own, Moneyspire shines. If you just want it to work out of the box, Empower's got less to tinker with. Alright, quick pit stop. Here's a little radar breakdown of how both stack up in each category. You can totally see where Empower rockets ahead and where Moneyspire just holds its own. So, wrapping up, if you're the kind of person who wants full control, offline peace of mind, and doesn't mind getting hands-on, Moneyspire makes a really strong case. If you're the opposite, more of a hands-off investor who loves apps and doesn't sweat cloud stuff, Empower's hard to beat. But today, for most folks, I think Moneyspire edges out, just because of the privacy, total control, and super flexible setup. If this helped you compare, or you want more deep dives on finance tools, hit subscribe and stick around for the next